Before moving to next segment, I am giving you a disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. All my videos and recommendations are only for the educational purpose. Please don't take risk on your hard-earned money on basis of my recommendation or videos. I never give recommendation. I just give study suggestions. Okay, before investing into any stocks or mutual fund, please consult a SEBI registered advisor or financial advisor, whatever you are consulting, or whatever as per government policies. The stocks are not for any investment recommendation. The stocks are purely meant for the study. Okay, thanks. So I have created some screeners. Okay, these are screeners created by me. Okay, these are so many complex screeners, and what I believe is, if you share your screener, or if you make your screener publicly, then you will lose the power of that screener. Okay, so that's why I am not publishing any sort of screeners. Okay, if I am selling, if I am just showing that screener to public, then everyone will access that. If there is some advantage, if what we are trying to screen, we are trying to find out things which is not commonly used by others. Okay, so if I am putting that in public, then there is no point, right? So everyone will be able to access it, everyone will use that companies, and everyone will take entry, and you will lose that edge. That's why I'm not sharing any type of screeners in public, and I will not share such screeners. But I will tell you how to make use of screener. That is the important thing. Okay, so how to use screener? That's what I'm telling. I'm not sharing my screeners. I will tell you how to use screener. Maybe there are many good screeners available in the screener website. Okay, this many screeners might be better than my screener also, but what you have to do is, so just check the top loud screeners. Okay, just go to the strong stocks. So I'm just taking using screener.com. So these guys are giving good screening criteria. They have applied simple and good criteria, and they are just showing some stocks. Okay, so we just checked Orchid Pharma Limited. So it's a pharma company, it's showing 8.3 percentage with some volume. Okay, so then Sundaram Finance, it is also showing something. Okay, so yes, so Godrej Philips is there, Gujarat State Petronet, KC International, Hexa Tradex, PVP Ventures, Future Market Network, DCM Financial. These are the, so you are not able to find anything specific out of these companies. Okay, I am not able to find anything common in these companies. So what I will do, I will write down the 10 companies, or I will copy the name of first 10 companies from this screener to an Excel sheet. Okay, and I will put today's note, or I will take a 100 pages notebook, and the I will write down the name of the 10 strokes. Okay, for today. So again, I will go to some other screener. So these are potential breakout. This is a good screener. You have to be you have to check this screener. I am also using it. So if you go and search NetWeb, okay, so these are potential breakout candidate. Okay, so you have to know who are potential breakout candidate. So NetWeb is a company which is operating on data center theme. You see how fast this company has given returns. I was also holding around from 18, and I exited around 2000 something, some 2200 somewhere here. I think I have exited. Then again this company is hitting all time high. This is making higher and higher. So this is a prominent thing. Then Unominda, it's like a company which is involved in automobile. Okay, then some Loris Labs are there, some ETF is also there. So we will let it go. So we know that network is a potential breakout candidate. You know is a potential candidate. This is from automobile sector and this is from IT plus data center. Okay, then you are just noting down the names. Okay, then you are again seeing for another RSI overbought, oversold. Okay, and then hmm, we'll check the RSI oversold screen. Okay, so the screen is pretty useless. So I'm just putting below was below 30. So I'm just putting this below 30. This is a useless screen. Okay, so if you check these companies, no, these companies are oversold. These are oversold companies. Ravindra Energy, Krishna for skincare. So you can just put these companies into watch list. So you can see these companies are topping out. These are not just oversold. These companies are just topping out. Okay. So when you see some activity, some reversal, you can enter in such stocks. That's the significance of this screener. These are not my screener. That's how you use screener. You just do screening daily. In short, you just do screening daily. You just write down the names, the top 10 names which is appearing in your list. Okay, you again take random 5 6 screeners. You just check their criteria, what criteria they are looking. Okay, then you can, after that you will be able to add something, you will be able to come down or something, etc etc etc. So I am just checking this Bose scanner for BTST. I don't know what is this. See, this is a very hell scanner. I don't know, so many things they have used. Okay, no, no stocks filter in this scan. Okay, so you should not put a lot of things in a sim scanner. Make it simple. Okay, so we just check some more things. Okay, so one we can check is VCP scanners. So somebody has made a scanner. Okay, so this is quite good scanner. So you can check Triveni Engineering, see Radico Khaitan, Kaplan Point Labs, Safari Industries, Praj Industries. So by reading in by 10 companies, 12 companies, what I am finding, Triveni Engineering, there is a buying interest. Okay, so other one, there is a buying interest in Praj Industries. There is some buying interest in Balrampur Chini. So these three companies are pointing towards one thing. This is ethanol, or this could be something related to sugar. Okay, so I think sugar sector is going, could be doing well, or it may perform better in coming days. That's I am getting an idea. Okay, so then I will go and check the other sugar stocks. So see, Balrampur Chini has made a good breakout, good breakout. Okay, with so weekly chart is positive for this company. Daily chart is also positive here. some volume is generating. Okay, 517. This is how you make a trade. So once this company is coming down to this levels, okay, this is the support of this level. 520 rupees will be the support. So if the company comes up to the like 520, you are keeping 540. 540 to 520 to 540 can be a good range for a trader in this company. So if this company pulls back and comes to the 520 ranges, you can buy. Okay, you can keep a stop loss somewhere like 520. So you can keep a stop loss at somewhere. Other support is 500, so you can keep a stop loss at 500. Okay, so that will be ideal in this position. Okay, so you can see, check the next one, Praj. Okay, so other two stocks which you have seen is, one is Lotus Labs, other is Kaplan Point. Okay, so both are pharma companies. So something would be happening in the pharma sector also. So two sectors which we found by this scanning method is, one is pharma, next is sugar. So it was consolidating here. Okay, this entire consolidation area, it's broken. Okay, it's broken here, again it's moving. So Praj is also bullish. So Praj is investment worthy here. So you may able to get a compounding returns from Praj. Okay, so that's how you play with technicals in short. Okay, so others, can you suggest what are all the sectors that you can bring multi-bagger returns? I have already told, bro. I have already told many sectors. This environment, the themes are environment, the themes which government focus, that are the sectors which you can make a multi-bagger return. The sectors which government focuses, when government focuses on the roads and bridges and aeroplane, you should focus on logistics sector. Okay, if world is looking for artificial intelligence, you should look for companies who are building artificial intelligence companies using artificial intelligence. Okay, then if people are looking for electronic vehicle, you should look for electronic vehicle. If you are looking for like a, if you are seeing opportunity in battery segment, you should look for the battery companies. See, anyway, we are going to have higher number of electronic vehicles in the company. We are going to see more number of solar panels in this country. So we need more battery. We need battery companies. Okay, India is expecting increase in defense sales. Okay, defense sales are supposed to increase in this country. So we might able to see increase in the potential up move in the defense stocks, but some stocks already moved. So almost all defense things like a missile, a submarine requires batteries. So defense batteries are the companies like high energy batteries. Okay, they make missile battery, they make submarine battery. So these are the things. Okay, so that's how you find sector, that's how you find sunrise sector, that's how you find stocks for trading. Hope you're understanding this. Okay, so somebody is asking why charting's logo. So if you click that, you will go to kite. That's it, nothing else. How about IT sector? You have great opportunity when rate cut happens. So when cut happens, you have great opportunity in IT. You have great opportunity in every sector. Okay, so every sector is positive, but the problem with IT sector is Indian IT sector is purely service based. Okay, it is not pure product based. So the issue is we are providing levers. Okay,
what we are seeing is we are seeing the increased use of artificial intelligence and humanoid robot. So the importance of IT employees are losing. Okay, so what is happening once the bridge came? Okay, then the person who was operating the ferry lost his job. Once tractor came, then those who are working in the fields lost their job. They were forced to do something else. So same thing is happening in IT, like the employees who were coding, who were checking the codes, are losing their jobs because AI can do that within minutes or within seconds. Okay, in that condition company may not prefer to employ five or six people. They will just try to they will just try to back check the code with the help of AI. Okay, they will do some other person, some other tester also they will hire. They may try it manually also, so they can reduce the number of people involved. So this might affect many companies. This is going to affect us also. Okay, so this the power of AI is penetrating like very strongly. This will going to affect us in some way, I don't know, positive or negative. Many people are going to lose their jobs. Okay, so many Indian tech people will lose their job in coming years, because once the AI become accessible for everyone, this many base level people will lose their job. Okay, many small companies which are doing their base level work to the bigger IT clients will lose their entire business. They will be wiped off. I cannot say which company will be wiped off, which company will reappear, which company will take advantage. That I cannot say. I don't have any expertise in that. Okay, but I can tell that the small companies, many small companies will be like will be wiped off. Okay, that what I want to say. But IT has an advantage. We are exporting. Okay, so we have this Indian rupees losing their value so against dollar. So rupee is going to around I think they are planning to keep it around 100 rupees by 2035. Okay, so maybe if software companies will get some revenue by the depreciation of the rupee. That's what my take regarding the IT sector. Promote financial crime background, how you deal with, can we trust? Why should I trust a promoter with financial crime background? You tell me that. By can we consider ESFL chart as an indication for smart money? Just wanted to have practical way of looking here as an abnormal way of reversal in chart. ESFL, I don't know ESFL. I will check. If I am seeing something, I will tell you. SN Specialty Films. Oof. See. This is not abnormal. This is what happened is this company debuted in July 23rd according to the chart, this thing, trading view. Then you can see there is no proper selling. You can see buying here, proper flag breakout. Okay, then they created a weakness here. This weakness is total fake, and they again started accumulating here. Okay, this one is a zone of accumulation. Okay, they made a cap and handle. People might have taken entry here seeing the accumulation, and this was a fake weakness. They started selling some quantities and something happened and stopped. This company might go higher. Okay, this has a potential to go up. This is a proper like strong hand driven. Those who, the guy who found this This is appreciable. Okay, this is a proper strong hand driven play. I don't know how it can go up. What is the potential of this company? I cannot comment because I have not studied. But this is a good example. Okay, this is perfect example. Okay, that's about the doubts. I think almost all doubts are cleared. So I will just tell a company which has qualified into my screener. Okay, my criteria. So what was my criteria? Okay, so now this is question time. Somebody please tell what are the criteria. One person unmute and tell the criteria.
Less than 100 microcap.
Hmm. Then strategy.
From sunrise sector should be
Hmm. Strategy. Five criteria for the strategy. What is the name of the strategy?
Smile strategy.
smart
Smile,
strategy.
not smile.
Smart,
Smart.
smart.
Smile strategy is coined by Vijay Kiria, not me. Okay, my strategy is smart strategy. So
Sunrise.
we have to be stay smart to survive in stock market or wherever. In this time you have to be really smart. Okay, especially you play in the sunrise sector, you should require a moat. The company should be ant size. I take it as 100 crore, you can take it as a 200 crore. I don't have any issues, but I take it as 100 crore. Okay, so reasonable valuation, trustworthy promoter, these are the things. So I have taken a company, perfect infra engineers. Okay, this as a, I'm just telling this for study purpose. Okay, it doesn't mean you have to buy this company. If you are, you may lose your money in this company. Okay? Perfect infra. So what is this, what they are doing? So today everything is supported with AI, whatever. Okay, so you can just get all points in a click. Even though I read all the detailed reports, here we can get in a very concise way. Business overview, they are just doing testing, installation, commissioning, maintaining. So it's basically an EPC company, okay, of ventilation and air conditioning equipment. In addition, it undertakes AMC contracts and supplies air condition on rental. So basically, this company is doing air conditioning business. Plus HVAC, they are doing rental services, they are doing MEP engineers. Okay, so company manufactures hybrid thermal solar panel that integrates with air conditioning system and help reducing electricity consumption up to 40%. Product is supplied by to most of the Indian AC manufacturers, as they have agreed not to void warranty when HTS panel is used to support with spares for repairs. They are aggregated with this much companies: Daikin, Polycab, Blue Star, etc. 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 Okay, client Honda, Siemens, Adani, PNG, Bikanerwala, Mahindra, Panchil, Hero, PWD, NTPC, etc. Standard Chartered. So, what is this theme? This is a multiple theme play. Here we are playing with one solar. Second, you are dealing with data center. Three, you are dealing with what? You are dealing with cold storage. Okay, so they are making solar panels which supports AC by some sort of newer technology. I don't know, I'm not a technology person, I'm not bothered. Okay, so some sort of technology they are using. So this can be a proxy play to solar, and it can be a proxy place to the cold chain, and it can be a proxy play to the call center. So not call center, so data center. Okay, theme also. So let's see. Revenue 66% from the AC thing, 13% from the AC thing. Okay, then operating income this much. AMC charges also this much. Okay, recent development while they have developed migration of the company from emerged platform of SME to the main board of NSE exchange. Capital increased authorized share capital from 13 to 17.5. Offer and issuance of equity shares of around through rights issue. So they have increased their capital in short. Future outlook. Company plans to focus on fewer and larger projects, mostly government, and creating a dealer network and training to sell hybrid thermal system. Company also registered solar thermal plants with many consultants and planning to expand in Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Okay. So just check the other things of this company. Okay, bro. It has an ROCE of 1.04 percentage. Okay, for PE of around 53.8. Okay, you will not get such companies with a lower PE, so you have to accept it and move on. That's what I feel. Promoter is holding is 31 percentage. Okay, company has a debt of around 8 crore, but company has a reserve of 15 crore. So if company sell pays its entire debt, they have 7 crore in hand. Okay. Then what? See, here somebody has taken proper accumulation. Okay, flag breakout they have given and started selling. Full weakness. This weakness may go on. I don't know. Share price can come down to 10 rupees. Share price can come down to 15 rupees also. And they will wipe all the weak hands. They will wipe off all the weak hands and they will bring it back to higher and highs. Okay, so you see 0.68 March 1.47, slowly we are building 2.87, 2.66, 4.57, 3.23. Okay, in such companies you will not be able to see a strong movement. Okay, if I say today, it may not move next day, it may not move next week, may not move in next month or next even next year also. It may move after 1 year. Okay, it will move like exponentially. Such companies, this is a good thing. Smart, it fulfills in the smart criteria, right? So now let's check. Okay, let's go to the PPT. Nowadays every small company is making PPT. Okay, which is making our life very easy. So I want to check what they are telling. Okay, they have made an investor presentation. Hybrid thermal solar panel. Very good. So renewable energy and world air conditioner contribution in peak load could reach 45%. So they are 25 years plus experience. They are good promoters. Promoters has a good experience in this field. Okay. Manufacture based on Navi Mumbai. Navi Mumbai, there are lot of data centers are coming. Already Hiranandani has started data center in Navi Mumbai. Okay, so location wise, they got a clear advantage here. It took 10 years to invent the HTS panel. This is actually Suntrack. This is a different company. They have the license. The Suntrack guys has made it this thing. They made it this panel and they said they have given license to perfect Infraengineers. Guys, you just make this in India and you give this much of money to us. They have some patent also. They have manufacturing in AZ, Australia, whatever that country, I don't know, USA, etc. etc. Okay, what is HTS panel? HTS panel which connects AC outdoor, which integrate any brands. Then these things also. some panels. Those who are interested in electronics or those who are interested in this company can study. They have sensors, aluminum frames, reflectors, etc. etc. These are technical things. Those who know such things will be able to understand. Other people can just see the picture and whatever it is. Okay, you see. So they have multiple products. What I can understand is they have multiple products. They have various range products. Okay, outdoor units, panels, everything they have. I don't want to deep dive into their technical things because I don't have to do anything with them. In in Hindi, will tell कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. Okay, again, these are the benefits. Monetary savings, best industry, COP 6 plus, judicious use of rooftop space, improved AC, attractive ROI, greenhouse restriction, national SDG goals, impact on discounts, etc. etc. So they are certified with many people. They have made so many installations. They have good client at. Okay, okay. So these are tested and proven thing. A company, foreign company, they have invented this technology and they have given license to Indian company. बेटा चलो करो जो करना है तुमको. So what I feel is this is a good opportunity. Now you need to check the promoter guys. Okay. So you go to promoter. So Mr. Mehta's. So some Gujus are promoters. Manisha Nimesh Mehta. Okay, so we'll just check this Nimesh Mehta guy. Is he holding is into what? They are just doing with the perfect only. They don't have any other shown things also. Okay, so you just Google search this Nimesh Mehta and they will show entire horoscope of the Nimesh Natwarlal Mehta here. Nimesh Natwarlal Mehta. I just found this company yesterday only. Okay. So I haven't searched, so you can see this is a very fresh finding. There is no news about it. So you cannot, you cannot get much data regarding this guy. Okay. He's currently associated with two companies, direct with accurate aircon and perfect infra. So you can deep dive like that, you can deep search if you want, you can do that. That's how you find such companies. Okay, so if you suppose if this guy is trustworthy promoter, then all the criteria will be applicable for the stocks. Such stocks you need to hold for longer period, like 10-15 years. Reasonable valuation, I take 50 PE as reasonable valuation because currently market in every stock is valued in such an expensive way. So market is expensive, you will not be able to get such small companies, small hot short companies with 20-30 p. Okay, considering the market valuation, I'm considering this as a recent valuation. Okay, so all these criteria are filled in this. Okay, now it's around 5 o'clock. I think we can finish it off. Okay, so yeah, these all are good companies. Hexacom, Mastag, cannot say. So these are the things which I needed to conclude now. Okay, so I wish to say I think I have explained almost all major things to you. So just follow this criteria, smart strategy. Okay, just follow the things what I said. If you have written notes, you might be able to recollect, otherwise I will upload the this thing also, video also. Okay, hope you liked it. If anybody has any queries, you can just type. I will take first three queries only, then I'm done. Yes, I'm too much dehydrated also. I just expected to finish it in 2 hours or 3 hours, but we have taken it 3.5 hours. Aztec I need to study. I don't know. I think it's a good company. I have not studied, so I cannot comment how good that company is. Russian, Russian is a good company. Yeah, Russian companies like Russian are very, like, it's all in the booming sector. You cannot say when these companies will boom. Okay, okay. So that's about Russian. You cannot comment when Russian will boom. Someday it will boom. That's what I. Okay. Gold star weakness continues. Yes, gold star. Yes, view is intact. View is intact. Sharing enterprises, I need to check. How can we identify fake outs or distribution? Distribution, it's in small caps. Distribution, identifying distribution is very difficult. Okay, so in small caps, you can identify that. You can identify that there is some selling is happening, then only after the distribution only you will be able to identify that distribution has happened. In major big stocks like proper MCAP volume trader stocks, you can identify that there is like a distribution patterns. You can check head and shoulders, then you can see double top. In small caps you may not be able to see many times you may not be able to see proper double top, or you may not be able to see the head and shoulder patterns. Okay, specific criteria to based on, it's based on, basically it's based on volumes, patterns. It's how tight they are holding the stocks. Okay, so these are the things. Mindtech is very attractive in future plans in RSS. That's it. So I don't have any services. So basically, I don't want to do any kind of paid services. I don't want to do any sell any stuff to anybody. That's not my plan. So I have good income. I have multiple sources of income. I'm happy with what I'm getting. So if I'm trying to encourage all your and making all these things, it will not be possible to focus on my main thing. So I'm not focused on selling anything to retail investors. Okay, if I if I might be focused on if someone is coming from some fund house. Okay, if someone from fund house is coming, if they wanted to do wanted some sort of research from me, I will give research to them. Okay, so that I can do if somebody has to do for a very big client. Okay,